friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Bluetooth problem on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll. Okay, you just keep scrolling and here on the down you can see this system option. So you have to click on this system. So after that, when you click on system, you have to scroll little bit on the down, then not so much on the down. Okay, then here you are going to find this reset phone. Just click on reset phone. When you click on it, here the first option you are going to find this reset Wi-Fi settings. Just click on this reset Wi-Fi settings. Okay, here when you click on it, you just click on reset setting. Here when you click on reset setting, if the another reset came, no, just click on it, the Wi-Fi problem, Bluetooth problem and mobile data problem will be solved from your mobile phone. Okay, just click on reset. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.